Kubor ka Batisi TV, Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch, price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramangi, hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Different. As a party, we have not been
Ka United Democratic Party hagas ngit hot ding ka RPR tarik ubenai naitung arajar RPR kala penpau ya kejing Sngew Thikna bahkan yo bat ya Lakam Synshar haus Snem arajar RPulai. General Secretary ke UDP Dr. Jamino Mautho kejing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uliyathu bala da bishar na kibabun kiliang khamtam ha kabayadei bat kejing long jingman jong ka sanhima sima ke UDP hagane ka kenti kan sanang le bha shu ke election ke bansalong haus Snem hajar Pulai. Sesu Lakam ru ba kidon kumbahan reo hadu hanyongut ki MLA na ki waipat ki sengsan pertai ki bala angnut ban yakun na ki tiket jong ke UDP ki election ke banlong haus Snem hajar Pulai. Ya mentang ke UDP ke don prangut ki MLA bat arngut ki MLA ki balong kum ki associate members ke yeng dor bar ke badan henreu pongot ki dekat.
Looking at all the indications as far as the political developments in the state is concerned, I think UDP this time is going to do very well in the year 2023. And you must have seen how political leaders from different political parties also have given their commitment to contest from the UDP in the year 2023. In fact, UDP has gained in strength. If you remember, in 2018, we could manage only 6 seats. That is in spite of the fact that we were in the opposition from 2013 till 2018. But unfortunately, our numbers declined. We got only 6 seats. But post 2018, we could manage to win 3 by-elections. So that is a positive sign for the UDP as a party to move up, okay, in strength. And now, with the disintegration of the Congress and with the coming in of a new political party in the state and with the unfortunate developments in other political parties, we see that UDP is growing in strength. And from all indication, it appears that UDP is going to lead the government in 2023. We are very positive about that. We are upbeat, and there is also this feel-good factor about our party as of now. It's very difficult to talk about the how things develop as far as the political scenario in the state is concerned. You were right in saying that earlier we were part and parcel of the government led by the Congress, and that is because we are now in a coalition era, no? And now we're talking about coalition politics only. But at that point of time, since our numbers are less, so we have to tag along with a political party which has the majority, right? But then this time around, see, but you have to remember, from 2013 till 2018, we remained steadfast in the opposition. We did not join the Congress in the last 5 years, from 2013 till 2018. But after 2018, when we could muster only 6 seats, you know, again we had to join hands with other political parties led by the NPP government. But this time around, we feel that, you know, we don't want to be labeled as Team B of the Congress or Team B of the NPP. We want to be the Team A who will be leading the state in the year 2023. That is what we want, and we are working very hard, you know, to mobilize the public support, and we hope that things are going to shape in that way only, so that we can also provide the required leadership for the state of Meghalaya in the next 5 years. Now, see, we have 8 MLAs in the UDP, then we have 2 associate members, and then we also have from other political parties who have given their commitment to contest from the UDP. So we have another 6 or 7 MLAs, and even from Garu Hills also, who have given their commitment to contest from the UDP. So in that way, we can see that our numbers are increasing. That is not counting myself, not counting, the other, the MDCs who are also aspirants, who are also potential winners from the different constituencies who are with the UDP. So if we take all of them together, the MLAs, the non-MLAs, the sitting MDCs, I think we are going to do well in the year 2023. See, we have, from the party, we have constituted a manifesto, committee, and I'm the chairman of that manifesto committee, and we are doing this exercise now of preparing the manifesto of the party, and soon we will be bringing that to the public domain so that people will know exactly what we intend to do post 2023, because we need to have some kind of a direction for the state. The state, when we talk about the state for the last 50 years, I'm not saying that the state has not moved ahead, but there are a lot of things also that are happening in the state which are not up to the expectations of the people, okay? And so we see a downslide in some of these sectors. So according to me, I feel that, the financial health of the state is of utmost importance. That is very, very important. We are a small state. We are not an income generating state. So we need to plug all the loopholes as far as revenue leakages is concerned, and management of whatever resources that we have on the doors of the government of India all the time. So we need to start, the process of standing in our own feet. Of course, we need the support, but what is important is the management as far as the state, financial management in the state is concerned. We are living in a coalition era, okay? And different political parties, many political parties are together as partners in this government. But from all indications, if you look at what is happening at the ground level and what is happening at the level of these sitting legislators also, you can see a lot of things happening which is favoring the United Democratic Party. As of now, from all indications, I mean, if you observe things around you, what is happening, in spite of us being part and parcel of the government, people are looking towards the UDP as the next alternative who will form the government in the year 2023. Be different. As a party, we have not been, in the government. Okay, in just a brief stint only we were in the government. But this time around, if you go back to the MDC elections in Garu Hills last time, if you look at the vote share as far as the UDP is concerned, it has increased tremendously. And most of the candidates also came second, in the last MDC elections. If you talk about the vote share, for instance, Divya Sangma from South Garu Hills came second. From Damas, Albert, he secured almost 6,000 votes. Dr. Pillay from Tura, she got around 4,218 votes. If you talk about Arman from Darugri, he got about 4,400 something votes. And then in the last by-elections from Rajabala, the MDC, who was from the Congress, who joined the UDP, he secured about 7,200 votes. And now we already have, an elected representative from Garu Hills who has won 4 consecutive times, Samuel Sangma from Bakmara. So he is also an associate member of the UDP, and I hope that he is also going to win this time. And I'm very sure that we are going to do very well in 7 to 8 constituencies this time in Garu Hills. So we are hopeful that, things are going our way as far as Garu Hills is concerned. And I hope that we'll be able to do well this time in 2023.